Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sabyasachi Bhowal. I had recently attended a November 2022 finance workshop by Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja. The workshop started with a pre-workshop homework. The pre-workshop homework was very helpful for me because we dentists are not so much well versed with the finance terminologies, which was basically covered in the pre-workshop homework, and that make the path for the finance workshop actual. The finance workshop sessions were extensively planned by sir, which were very good, well executed, and well planned. The workshop covers starting from the basic finance, filing the ITR, the basic ITR forms, the basic ITR slabs, and making the balance sheet, and then ultimately it goes to the personal finance, that is the investment part. Everything was well executed. Sir is a person with under promise and over delivery, and we have I was it was my second workshop with sir, and I was quite happy, and I recommend everyone to join this workshop. Thank you.